In our factory, every special-shaped screw starts from a coil of metal wire. The raw materials are transported to the multi-station cold heading machine through the automatic wire feeding system. The cold heading machine runs at high speed to punch out the screw head and shank. In this process, the cold heading machine uses a multi-station die to forge the metal wire into the basic shape of the screw. However, special screws often require secondary processing to achieve the so-called special structure. This link is the CNC finishing stage. This stage requires extremely high technical skills, and unskilled employees may need a day to debug the machine. The production cost is much lower. One machine can produce millions of screws every day by running 24 hours a day. This equipment is used for high-speed tapping of screw shanks. It uses a vibrating plate automatic feeding system to achieve stable and continuous automated processing. Our HLC factory is equipped with a variety of CNC tapping equipment, covering different specifications and process requirements to meet the customized mass production of various non-standard screw customers. Instead of the traditional cutting, this machine uses cold rolling, applying high pressure through hardened dies to form threads without interrupting the metal's grain flow.